Justin, what makes you kilig?
Ako po, kamyas o kaya po maasim na sinisinigang.
Okay.
Nauna.
Pag umiihi po.
What is up, y'all? It's your boy Casual Chuck, back again with another video. If you're new here, welcome. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss more casually awesome content like this one. Today's going to be a special day because we have virtual guests. Please welcome my friend Russell. Cherry Floor. And Missy Mueller. Hey! Russell, how are you doing today, man? Russell, kamusta? You are muted.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Oh, okay lang. Okay. How are you, Cherry Floor? How are you doing today?
Okay, masaya na kinakabahan.
No need to be nervous. We are gonna have fun. Okay, so how are you, Missy?
Okay lang po ako.
Alright, so they are gonna make me watch a funny video of SB19, and if I laugh, I will put a line of lipstick across my face. So
Pwede
I will try my
mag-request,
best.
kuya.
What is it?
Pwede marker na lang. Pero yung permanent.
Ay! They have decided the video to watch, and it's the latest video of MJ Ruffin, SB19 being effortlessly funny during interview. I hope I will survive, guys. So now that we got that out of the way, you know what's next.
Roll intro. You will never regret it.
Subscribe. Alright, guys, we are about to watch the video. I hope I will survive. Let's get into it. Bayan. Sound effects pa lang, parang napapaano na ako.
Get in zone. Break. SB19.
Ken.
Ano ba yan? Simula pa lang natatawa na ako.
Parang
Okay,
yung
lipstick.
yung video ba? Yung video mo?
Hindi, si Pablo yung naglalag. Napanood ko tong interview na to, naglalag si Pablo doon. Oo, naglalag. Okay, guys. A promise is a promise. Oh my God. Isang linya. Okay. Let's get back to it.
Kuya, kuya, yung feeling ko.
Napanood ko na to eh.
Mute ka.
Sige. Unmute, please. Sir Ken. Yeah.
Sir Ken? Unmute, please, sir.
Unmute, please, Ken.
Okay, ito na si Ken. Habang nag-uunat. Sir Ken?
Okay, lipstick.
Ano po ang childhood song? Hello?
Hello?
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us.
Every time you step on stage naman, bitong
Naglag na siya.
Alright, Pablo, wait, I'm gonna have to stop you just for a second, Pablo, because on your side.
pag may ibang artist na nasuko kong may itutulog pa rin namin
Ang tsura ni kuya. Natatawa ako sa mukha ni kuya, hindi sa pinapanood.
Yung pagka-edit eh.
That you're over.
even worse.
12,000 viewers at the moment. This is you beat the record, and I think
Lumabas na yung pagkachonan niya.
we're gonna beat it even more.
Tapos alam mo yun, pag matanda ka na, matanda
Tama.
Yeah.
The category ay colors, mga kulay. So let's start with Pablo, then Josh, then Justin, then Stel, then Ken. Ready? Go, Pablo.
dandelion.
Ha? Anong kulay yun?
Red. Parang 68 crayons yung crayons ni Pablo ng bata. May dandelion.
Jet black po.
Napaka-complicated talaga mag-isip nila si Pablo, pati kulay ino-overthink eh.
Jet black. Ken.
Colors ba to?
Ken, ano yung naging training nyo before you became SB19?
Ano lang, nag-stretching kami.
So, sobrang dami yung ginagawa. Stretching sa dami-dami ng training nila. Stretching talaga pinaka-memorable eh, no? Buisit ka, Ken.
Parang,
Ano naman, Justin? How about you, bro? Ano yung strength mo in SB19?
Siguro po yung imagination ko kasi sobrang dami kong naiisip masyado, sa dami kong nai-imagine and
Mag-release na ng bagong kanta kasi parang nangalawang na kami. Parang wala na talaga.
Is what was
Binabasag ni Ken yung mga ka-members niya.
one childhood dream you had that we don't know?
Nung bata po ako kasi, pagka umuuga po yung ngipin ko, hindi po ako pupunta sa dentist. Ako po mismo yung nagbubunot. Inaalog ko po yung ngipin ko, ako nagtatanggal. So paglaki ko po, gusto ko po maging astronaut.
Ano yun, Stel? Ang dami pang kwento eh. Simula ng pagkabata ko.
Sir Ken. Sir Ken, please unmute.
Ako po gusto ko po makita yung Statue of Liberty.
Bakit yon?
Nakita ko po sa movie dati, sabi ko, ang laki. Ano po? May hawak po siya na torch. Gusto mo po tumungtong doon.
yung edit ka na.
Very X-Men, ha?
Yeah.
I guess I'd like to end with isang regalo para kay Ken.
yung Statue of Liberty.
Kaya
nung super bata pa ako, yung pangarap ko pagtanda ko, gusto ko maging doktor. Tapos, ang akala ko kasi, pag naging doktor ako, mabubuhay ko yung mga patay.
Parang yung Diyos po, feeling ko po natupad po yun sa kanya. Parang hindi po lisan. Kumbaga, bumubuhay po siya ng patay na pag-asa ng mga ibang tao.
Di pa ba yun enough?
Brought out the pink Lamborghini just to race with China.
I am disgusted.
Alisa Santiago.
This is my moment.
Oh my God, Stel, wag kang pa-full.
Alam mo ba na si Tweety Bird ay lalaki?
We are going
Talaga?
to pretend we didn't hear that.
Yung mindset yung pinaka nagpapakilig sa akin. Pag maganda yung mindset ng isang tao, parang nakikita mo na yung buong ano niya, yung buong pagkatao niya, gano'n.
Justin, what makes you kilig?
Ako po, kamyas o kaya pumaasim na sinisinigang.
Pag umiihi po.
Matagal na hindi nakatawa eh. Ang pangit, guys.
Anime.
Alam ko na.
Iba nasa utak nito.
The second question naman po is what was the first thing you did in the morning?
Bakit sila natatawa?
Kasi may usapan po kami just kanina umaga.
What is the first song na natutunan mong kantahin? And a sample po.
Kanta ni Celine Dion yung I'll Be Waiting For You.
Wait, paano yun? I'll be waiting for you.
Meron po sa YouTube nun, sir.
I offer
Sabog siya eh. Burn.
my life to you. Lord,
Kala ko dyan.
life to you.
Kala ko yung mga kantahan mo dati, amoy ng papa.
Ken, is it a truth or dare?
Ikaw,
Ano
gusto
po?
mo?
Ay, paano po kung ikaw yung gusto ko?
Ayun.
Reenact a scene?
Truth na lang pala ako.
Narinig niya yung reenact eh. Napaback out.
When was the last time you lied to your groupmate?
Grabe
Sorry
ka,
na po.
naninira ka ng grupo ha.
May show kami, tapos sabi ko, pupunta na ako, pero pupunta pa rin pala ako sa CR. Dapat yung call time doon, 7 a.m. Tapos dumating ako 10 a.m. na ako dumating. Kasi sobrang traffic din.
Chagaman.
Opportunity. Nabigyan naman ako.
Basta tandaan mo palagi. Ha?
Wala lang, gusto ko lang sabihin na pag nagsasalita ka, numiligaya na kami. Nakikita ko yung
Basag. So ayun, tutuloy ko lang yung sinasabi ko. Pagkatapos ng malakas na bagyo, meron dadating na rainbow. So sana antayin natin yung rainbow na
meron
yun
isa pa.
Nakainis to si Pao. Lagi pinupuso yung sinasabi ko.
Woo! Tapos na. Is that it? Alright guys, that is it.
Nakailan ka?
Obviously. Hindi ko alam. Lap trip yung video. Pangit.
Ano yun?
Obviously, I did not survive. I can't even count how many times I laughed. So, you count yourselves. But that was a really fun video. I couldn't help but laugh. I also heard these three laugh in the background. So, nahawa ako. I hope you guys enjoy the content. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Smash the like button. Because you know what I like on my side. It's the algorithm. Talk to you in the next one. Peace out.
Bye-bye.
Grabe, ganda mo naman, Zaira. Oh my God.
Hala, si Kuya Chok namumula oh.
How old are you, Zaira?
13 po. Balik na rin po.
Kuya naman.
Grabe, you look like, parang, oh my God. Grabe, ganda nahihiya ako bigla.
Grabe ka sa
Nasaan ka, Zaira? Where are you?
saan? Sa bahay o lugar?
Sa puso.
Baliw.